Okay, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, just going to be backtesting the 10am power of 3 again. And it looks like we are in this weird December to January, like the New Year's. So I think I'm just going to skip this first week of the year, because I usually do that anyway. And we can just go straight to the Tuesday at 10am, and we'll get straight into it. So starting on the daily time frame, just identifying our bias as we usually do. Obviously choppy start of the year, not really much movement. Tapped into this 4-hour gap, so definitely going to be looking bullish today. Didn't really inverse that 5. So yeah, we'll just wait for a setup. Getting a little power of 3 into this 5-minute gap down here. And we get obliterated. Haven't inversed this 5 yet, so that is good to see. But also, I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to incorporate my own model into this. So, going to be trying to sort of bottom tick a little bit. But yeah, we can just, I think this would probably be fine. Just for my own model as well. Yeah, we could probably see how this goes. Inverse this 1 minute power of 3 into the 5 minute. And that 5 minute held. And I'll just leave stops like this. Just go 0.5 and set a limit order for here. Okay, so probably can go break even. And we just smash the TP immediately. My model's too OP, bro. When you mix it in with power of 3, it gets unstoppable. But my model also does say to just trail stops to the next candle. Like, don't trim anything, just keep on trailing your stop up to the next candle, like to the wick of the next candle. So we would have been stopped up here instead of up here. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind as well. And again, we'll start on the high time frame, get our bias again. Tapped into this, is it a weekly gap? Yeah, tapped into this weekly gap, these daily gaps as well. Huge wick at the start of the daily open. So yeah, definitely going to be looking for a buy today. We have this as well. So let's see if we get a power of 3 into this 15. We don't. Oh, I should have taken that. I should have taken this for my own model as well. Oh. I'm not going to go back because that is not what backtesting is, but would have been filled at around here and stops would have been there. So yeah, we would have been stopped out at break even probably, but I would have probably trimmed some and then just kept on trailing the stop, like I said, to around here, and then we probably would have just been stopped out there. Okay, so that looks like the power of 3 move for the day, especially into this 5-minute gap. I'm probably not going to wait for this 15 to be filled though, because price is very aggressive now. I mean, we probably could have taken this 5-minute inversion, but yeah, I'm not switched on today. Damn. So yeah, end of New York session means we go to the next day. Starting on the daily again, clearly in the distribution leg, hit the 9,000 level, so that is a very key level. Haven't rebalanced at all this whole leg up. Haven't rebalanced this whole leg up. So I would probably like to see a bit of a rebalance here if we can. Choppy market open, tapped into this, not this 15, did not tap into the 15. But yeah, very choppy, as you can see. We have no PD arrays for us to really go off, so doesn't look like there's any setup today, unfortunately. Yeah, there's been no PD arrays formed except for this 2-minute gap. Like, this would have probably been the power of 3 setup I would have taken with our accumulation and then our subsequent manipulation. But we already tapped into this 2-minute gap like way before then, so I wouldn't have trusted that. So yeah, the reason why I have such a high win rate is because I'm very selective with my entries. I don't just spam entries and just pray for the best. I always wait for extra confirmations and stuff like that. So we're in this 15. I'm probably going to take that inversion, that first inversion, just because this does look like a fairly good power of 3 setup. And we'll go leave it down to there. We'll just go market sell. And this 5-minute gap, I'm probably going to go break even at, just in case it does give us some trouble. We inverse this 1 minute, which is what I don't like to see, but we are respecting this. Can we go break even? No, we're probably going to get stopped out here. Okay, so we got stopped out there. Was that the Friday? Yeah, that was the Friday. Fairly quick backtesting session. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Should have taken the other trade that was on Wednesday. That would have been a very good trade. But yeah, that's what you see. Sort of incorporating my model into the power of 3. Did it once and printed. So yeah, enjoy your week and thank you for watching.